I would like to greet everyone who will be viewing this presentation. I go by the name Tsolani Sisole, a member of Group X 2024 and Team 5, with Andile Mapumulo and Michael Ngerande as my team members, and we will be presenting the RollerX as our project for the 2024 Techathon. Access to clean, sufficient water remains one of the biggest challenges faced by African communities, particularly in rural regions of North Africa, such as Ethiopia, South Sudan, and Somalia. Due to underdevelopment infrastructure, many residents rely on rivers or have limited access to working taps, resulting in long trips to collect water. Traditional methods like carrying buckets are inefficient, forcing people to make multiple trips and increase physical strain. Grant Gibbs then introduced the Hippo Water Roller as a solution, featuring a 90-liter rollable tank that enables users to transport 3 times more water per trip than traditional method. This reduces the number of trips required, elevates physical fatigue, and makes water collection more efficient. However, despite its benefits, the current Hippo Water Roller design has drawbacks. It lacks inclusivity with a single-size barrel that can be challenging for certain users, such as the elderly people with disabilities or those with limited strength who struggle to lift the heavy barrel to access water. Our aim is to develop an improved water transportation device that enhances accessibility, usability, and efficiency to diverse communities, addressing limitations of the current Hippo roller, with the objective of introducing RollerX as an advanced water transportation device aligned with sustainable development goals. RollerX offers more adaptable design, making inclusive for a broader range of users, ensuring efficient and accessible water transportation in diverse communities. The Hippo Water Roller has changed water collection in underserved rural areas. Its durable 90-liter rollable design reduces physical strain and enables users to transport 3 to 5 times more water than traditional methods. With over 55,000 units have been distributed across 48 countries, benefiting millions of people primarily in Africa. The Hippo Water Roller has limitations such as accessibility issues whereby elderly or physically disabled users struggle to access water due to barrels' awkward opening. A lack of inclusivity whereby the single-size design limits its use for individuals with varying physical capabilities. And environmental impact, whereby the materials are not fully eco-friendly or biodegradable, raising concern about long-term environmental effects. Introducing RollerX, an innovative solution for water transportation. RollerX represents a significant advancement over the traditional Hippo water roller, addressing its limitations while offering a more inclusive, efficient, and sustainable water transportation solution. With its user-centric design and cutting-edge materials, RollerX prioritizes accessibility, usability, and environmental sustainability, meeting the needs of diverse communities and supporting long-term ecological goals. With key features and benefits like enhanced accessibility, the RollerX features a repositioned opening, eliminating the need to lift the barrel, and includes a built-in multi-layer filtration system for clean, hassle-free water retrieval. This is especially beneficial for users with physical limitations. Size variability, whereby available in 3 sizes, RollerX accommodates users of varying physical capabilities, ensuring comfort and inclusivity for all.
The new design of the RollerX, has been thoughtfully redesigned to tackle the limitations of the existing roller. The focus here is on improving durability, ease of use, and sustainability while keeping inclusivity at the forefront. The barrel is designed to cater a variety of needs, offering a range of sizes accommodating different tasks and user preferences. The roller comes in 3 different sizes: a 90-liter roller, a 45-liter roller, and a 30-liter roller, which is the smallest option proposed. The new barrel features a repositioned opening for improved accessibility. It is also detachable on the sides, allowing it to be easily accessible for thorough cleaning and maintaining hygiene. Moving on to the cap design. RollerX features a dual closure cap system for convenience and control. Its features include a large cap which allows users to fill or empty large volumes of water quickly, making it efficient for high demand scenarios. It also features a smaller inner cap which is designed for a more controlled access, allowing users to pour precise amount of water, reducing spills and wastage. It is designed to maximize durability while addressing inclusivity and hygiene concerns. The handle has been reimagined to enhance comfort, stability, and durability. Its features include an ergonomic grip, which is a non-slip grip surface, which ensures safety even in wet or slippery conditions. It also has a locking mechanism, which provides an added stability during use, especially on uneven terrain. The handle uses recycled plastic composite, aligning with the roller's commitment to sustainability. Now, let's compare the material used in the traditional Hippo Water Roller and the redesigned RollerX. The traditional roller primarily uses 3 durable materials like high-density polyethylene and mild steel for strength. While effective, these materials are not so eco-friendly and rely heavily on virgin plastics. RollerX introduces a more refined material composition, emphasizing on performance and sustainability. By using recycled materials, RollerX aligns with global conservation goals. This not only enhances sustainability but also improves the roller's performance and longevity. Moving on to the estimated costs. We have 2 tables detailing the total production cost breakdown and the rental costs. For the overall production costs, the materials mentioned on the previous slide are expected to range about 440,000 rands, and the manufacturing costs are expected to range about 390,000 rands. The total production cost is expected to range about 910,000 rands, which is equivalent to 48,000 US dollars. On the other hand, the rental costs are expected to range about 100,000 rands per month. They include a facility which will be leased out and used for the manufacturing or the production phase of the project. It also includes the rental of the automated molding machine, which was previously mentioned as the Airbag All-Rounder 720.
For distribution, the product's design includes foldable handles and stickable barrels, allowing for efficient storage and transformation. By reducing shipping volumes, this innovation lowers fuel consumption and greenhouse gas emissions across the distribution chain, making logistics more sustainable. And also for usage, the product is engineered for long-term use, which means customers don't need to replace it frequently, and end of life which is the EOL, end of life. At the end of its life cycle, the product is designed for easy disassembly, enabling components to be recycled effectively. We now move to the production and productivity. For the manufacturing process, the product will be produced using an automated high-performance injection molding machine, which is known as the Ogbeg All-Rounder 720, to ensure production rates are high and efficient. So the performance of the machine, the setup time is around 30 minutes to 2 hours. The injection phase is from around 30 to 50 seconds. The cooling 60 to 90, going on. So this machine, the Ogbeg All-Rounder 720, improves productivity, energy efficiency, and reduces material wastes. It also operates 24/7 with minimum downtime, which is approximately 5% of the total time, and this ensures lower production costs and supports accessibility for underserved communities. Now, aligning our project with the SDG, we go on to framing the project with the SDGs. The project is in alignment with SDG 6, which is clean water and sanitation. The project supports the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals of ensuring availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. Our key focus is to improve water transportation efficiency for rural and water-scarce communities, thus reducing the physical burden and time spent on water collection, particularly for vulnerable groups. So the main goal is to ensure availability and sustainable transportation of water. This project also aligns with the SDG 9, which is industry, innovation and infrastructure. The sustainable industry, this project offers sustainable industrialization through leveraging modern manufacturing processes such as 3D printing and automated injection molding to produce RollerX efficiently and sustainably. So the key impact of this project is to integrate advanced manufacturing methods and sustainable practices, thereby creating scalable solutions that reduce environmental impact and improve accessibility, thus fostering inclusive. It also aligns with the SDG 13, which is climate action. The redesign of the Hippo Roller supports climate action by utilizing recycled materials and high-energy efficient product processes, reducing environmental impact and carbon dioxide emissions, CO2 emissions. So the impact of the recycled materials, they promote lower reliance on virgin plastics, reducing plastic waste and environmental pollution. They also support sustainable practices to decrease the demand for raw materials, thus mitigating landfill wastes. Progress of recycling. Basing with South Africa, the percentage of recycled plastics increased from 15% in 2013 to 21% in 2023. The growth in recycled tonnage reflects national progress towards sustainability and reducing landfill waste. So the project contributes to climate action by scaling up sustainable solutions and reducing environmental footprint of plastic products. Yeah, thank you.
Moving on to community focus and stakeholders. Our key stakeholders include our consumers, particularly women and children who usually carry water on a day-to-day basis. It also includes our community leaders and local organizations, manufacturers and suppliers, government policymakers, and our project team.
RollerX delivers an innovative solution to water transportation challenges, combining eco-friendly materials and inclusive design to improve lives in underserved communities. It supports sustainable social and economic growth by providing scalable and durable infrastructure by addressing environmental concerns and prioritizing accessibility. RollerX sets a new benchmark for resilient infrastructure that aligns with global sustainable development goals. With further enhancement and wider implementation, RollerX has the potential to revolutionize water access, fostering a long-term community empowerment and environmental responsibility. It's not just a product, it's a catalyst for meaningful, sustainable change. Thank you.